Guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have OnePlus 6T and I want to show you how to take long screenshots on this device. Our first step to do this is opening application with supported. It can be settings, Google Chrome or something like that. Something would have more information than you have on the one side of screen where we can scroll something. Where we are on it, we press volume down and power key together at the same time. And there extend screenshot, and now it is scrolling. When we tap on it, we stop scrolling of that and we finished creating our long screenshot when we have all we need, maybe now. And as you can see, we create our long screenshot. To save it in our gallery, we press this icon. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.